FaMe offers a comprehensive survey management module. The solution manages every kind of quality and KPI or SLA approvals. The system is applicable, but not limited for office cleaning, hotel and accommodation or hospitality cleaning, maintenance, landscaping, catering, or other activities. No limits. First, the supervisor prepares the surveys. He chooses the survey-related tasks and objects from the FaMe order or FaMe contract program. FaMe supports different survey approval approaches. As an example, selection set created by a random generator, or selection set generated by the acceptable quality level AQL, or by ISO 3951 definition, or an individual on-site selection by the controller, or the controller checks all objects on-site. Combinations are possible. The FaMe survey function generates the survey tasks for a given time frame in advance, for example, for 1 year. The FaMe survey app manages the selection sets. The app shows all due approvals for 1 day with the exact timing. As an option, the app marks, under considering of a given for runtime, due survey tasks with a color. The controller checks the tasks after the activity was planned to conducted. As an option, the survey orders can be bundled with a contract. In this case, the FaMe survey function calculates on the end of the survey tasks automatically the bonus and malus agreements. That means, in case the survey not pass the given KPI, the system generates automatically a malus-related reduction. The FaMe contract and accounting modules are necessary. The survey agent has the option to generate and file ticket in case he finds during the survey process some violations. He takes a photo or video to record the violation. The new ticket appears immediately at the supervisor dashboard for further action. We show now some functions live. After the successful login, the system shows all surveys which belongs to the controller who log in. The controller selects an order for an approval. The app shows all survey tasks which are linked with the chosen order. The yellow color indicates approvals which are due at the next 30 minutes. The user chooses a task from the list. All survey objects for the selected task appear. The user clicks at an object. In this example, a room. The screen shows the detail information and the rating options. In this case, first impression and the categories ceiling, inventory, walls, and floor. The controller enters the amount of the failures which he found per category. After pressing the button Submit Survey, the system switched to the previous screen. The green box signalizes the KPI was passed. We show now another task. The user chooses from the overview the order. He opens a survey ticket. He chooses from a pick list the first impression and rates the single survey-related objects. After pressing Survey Send, the system switched to the overview. The red color box means the object not passed the given KPI. Green color means the object passed the KPI. Yellow color means the survey task is due at the next 30 minutes. Gray box color and dark red text means the survey task not done at the given time frame. Gray box color and black text means the survey task isn't due yet. At the next survey task, we show how the controller creates a separate ticket to report an issue. The controller chooses from the pick list the object to start the survey task. He found an issue during the inspection and execution of the survey task. He presses the button Add Ticket. The app opens an extra form to report an issue. He has the option to describe the problem with a text input at the message text field. The controller has the option to take a photo, or he creates a video. The controller saves the ticket. The ticket appears immediately at the supervisor dashboard for further action. The controller finishes now the survey task. He chooses the first impression, in this case not clean at all. As an option, he enters the numbers of detected failures by category. After the rating, he sends the survey result. The red color box signalizes that the KPI for the selected object not passed. Please check the creation date of this video. FaMe improves the system continuously. Maybe this video shows not the latest version.